All clear, dispatch. Have fun, guys.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, this is probably my favorite S&S swing.
Yeah, I just wish they had longer cycles.
Yeah,
These guys are fun.
But I know why they keep it longer, because when this thing is crowded, this capacity is terrible.
Well, a lot of, I think it might also be the air tank, because even the bigger ones have short cycles.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm trying to think which ones I've done. I've done Finnegan's
How's you ready, guys?
Good.
Good, awesome.
That one's pretty good because that goes over the hill.
Yeah, that one's
on
pretty
one
good.
side.
It's not bad. It's just a little smaller.
Lisa Burge is really good because that one is also
that
over the
one's
hill.
awesome, yeah. I forgot about that one.
All right, if you guys